Claude AI got some magical features. Just let me show you what are them. Before watching this video, please like, comment, share, and especially you have to follow my account to learn more unique things. First, you have to go to Claude AI. This is the website that you already know maybe. Sometimes you don't know about that. Here you can see the text area, right? So I'm going to type, actually first I'm going to use this Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and then I'm going to type something like this. You can type a simple one like this. I need you to make a super cool web page for making a real-time measurement conversion tool with a modern UI, else you can try. This is the optimized prompt design and develop a high functional visually striking web page for a real-time measurement conversion tool. This page should feature a modern UI UX with responsive design, blah 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 blah. Whether you type the first one or second one, you have to type this especially. This is the thing, make sure you use React. So what is that? React with artifact feature you got. So make sure that you go to this place here, and then you go to this settings option here, and then you can see enable artifacts feature. So you have to make sure that it's enabled, okay? And I just forgot to say, you actually connected accounts. Now you can see I just connected my Google Drive account. Now it's a new feature, so you can use that also. That's a magical one. Actually, you don't need to upload any more documents because you can use your Google Drive documents, by the way. Don't worry about security. It has the best. Actually, there is no security in this world. Okay, after typing this thing, and then you can click on this submit button and just wait for few seconds or few minutes sometimes. Okay, I'll happily to create blah blah blah. So this is called artifacts. Now it's generating the code, by the way, actually React code. So this is called actually this is kind of a framework that you can use, maybe a library, maybe a framework, whatever you use. Okay, actually don't worry about these things. If you don't know what is a React or how you can use React, don't worry about that. You will get the output as soon as possible. So my task is done, and here real-time unit conversion. So 1 meter. So you can select meters, feet, and inches, whatever you got. Actually, I'm going to ask how many. Actually, 2. Then it's about 6.5, 617 feet, and 3 is 9.825. And what about meters to centimeters? So let's see. Actually centimeter is not here, so I'm going to use inches here. Okay, 118.1103. So now I need to tell Claude to add centimeters also. What I just had to say, please add centimeter. Okay, centimeter conversions also. Then I just have to type, then it will remodify the code. Okay, just wait. So here you can see the same code, but it will remodify. Actually it won't I think, yeah, already done and dusted, I think. Wait, something is happening here, but I can't see what is happening here. Now, by the way, now you can see the preview got here. Okay, so I can click on, wow, it got. So now I can click on the centimeters, or maybe meters to centimeters here. So you can see 100 centimeters per 1 meter. So what do you think about this? Actually, wait, it's still not finished. I will show you more things that you can do. Just you need to make some diagrams. So you can type what are the more ways you can preview. Sorry for mistakes. What are the more ways you can preview like this, such as diagrams and etc. So I'm going to submit. I click on the submit button, and then let's see what are the features, actually what are the things that we can use. So here the best thing is mermaid diagram. So you can see something is happening here. Actually it's I think drawing a flow chart. Wow, this is perfect. So this is a magical feature of Claude. And SVG graphics, perfect for custom illustration. Now it's typing SVGs. So just wait for the preview. Now you can see the preview after the coding. Wow, that's cool. And now it's typing HTML content. You can also, maybe you already know about HTML or CSS. If you don't know, just think it's a website development designing languages, HTML, CSS, and JS. So you can preview anything like this. Okay, code snippets, blah blah blah. So there are a lot of things that you can gain from this Claude AI. Also about the markdown documents, that's a cool feature, because markdown is you can use markdown documents especially for writing on the web. Okay, so that's called scripting. By the way, these are the things that you can use. If you didn't know about these things, please share this video and like this video and leave your comment. Okay, and actually what do you need to learn more about Claude? Just let me know, then I will definitely teach you. Actually, I will try to teach you because I'm not an expert. Now I will say you another magical feature. Actually, just think you need to learn about some languages. Okay, so this is working as a language translator also. So what I did is, would you like me to understand? Actually, that's a sentence. Okay, now I can see the sentence I pasted here, and then finally I type, please translate the text to Sinhala in a talkative level. Okay, just don't worry about the mistakes, because LLM, large language models, they know about the mistakes we do. By the way, just submit and then see the output here. Maybe sometimes it will be shown on an artifact. Yes, it will show in an artifact. Artifact, it means this one. So now you can see the translated text is here with the talkative level. Okay, යම් විශේෂ වර්ගයක් වැඩි විස්තර සහිතව පෙන්වන්නද නැත්නම් සංකේත දෘශ්‍යකරණ සඳහා විවිධ blah 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 blah. So this is cool. By the way, it generated the whole content that previously generated. Okay, actually it tried to generate this one. Okay, it tried to translate this some full content into Sinhala. Sorry about that. By the way, thank you for watching this video. I don't know what I said to you. These are some magical features you can use on Claude AI. So if you didn't know about that, please share contents like I said before. Bye. Good luck.